Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin access and a recent backup before you change security settings. This prevents lockout if something goes wrong. Once backed up, keep the laptop plugged in and create a system restore point so you can revert. Next, open Settings and go straight to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. That's where fingerprint enrollment is controlled. You're starting the removal now. Disabling biometrics at the OS level is the safest first action before removing drivers or hardware. You'll remove the fingerprint from Windows Hello first because that severs login ties. In Sign-in Options, click Fingerprint, remove all saved fingerprints, and toggle off any biometric sign-in. If fingerprints persist, open Device Manager, locate biometric devices, right-click the fingerprint sensor and choose Uninstall Driver. Make sure to check Delete Driver Software if offered. Once done, restart the machine to finalize changes, then return to Sign-in Options to confirm the fingerprint option. Finish by uninstalling any Asus fingerprint utilities from Programs and Features so no vendor layer re-enables the sensor. Once removed, verify settings no longer show biometric options. If enterprise policies or group policy enforce biometrics, disable the setting under Local Group Policy Editor or, for advanced users, remove keys in the registry. Back up the registry first. If you get locked out, boot to safe mode, use your restore point, or sign in with another admin account. That recovers access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.